Hey guys, and here today we have this Subaru Crosstrek, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace battery in this car. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood. Find the latch, move the latch to the left, raise the hood up and secure it with a stand. Like this. Now okay, so here we have our battery. Okay, so in order to get our battery out, we'll have to loosen 1, 2 nuts and get the terminals out. Okay, so this is how we're gonna do. We're gonna loosen these two up. First of all, we're gonna remove the terminals. Okay, so take off negative first. To get off the negative terminal, I'm taking a 10mm ratchet. Okay, and just loosening up this screw. So you have to loosen up as much as you can, just remove the terminal. Okay, just put it somewhere. Okay, next thing we're gonna take and do the same thing here with positive. Okay, just put it somewhere. This thing goes here. Okay, now let's loosen up these. When you're doing this, make sure you don't touch the positive terminal. Okay, now what we have here, we have to loosen up more. Okay, so once it's loose enough, you can get your hook out of the hole over here. Okay, so now we loosened it and we are able to get the bracket out. It's the same thing on that side. Okay, so set this aside for now. Okay, at this point we can just take our handle and get the battery out. This is it. So when you're gonna get the replacement battery, just same thing. They're gonna be caps here, so take off the caps and put it back in. One more thing is, if you have if you're gonna bring your old battery into the parts stores, most likely they're gonna give you some core for it, which is they're gonna give you like $10–15 if you're gonna just give it back to them. So that's something to consider. Okay, now okay, so once we have the new battery, same way, just put it back in like this. Then we're just gonna grab our brackets. So here we wanna, there should be a way. Okay, so I have this bracket on, and over here there is this hole, and we have to, yeah, now we got it. And now we're just gonna again, if the battery is not correct way, then just you can wiggle the battery the way you like. And yeah, make sure you don't interchange, make sure you don't mess up positive with negative. Now yeah, so just now tighten up these two nuts. So this is tight. Now we're gonna put back terminals, positive first, okay, and negative. All right, once we have them on, okay, we have to tighten up our nuts, this one and this one. And that's it. Please note that sometimes in Subarus, when you just change the battery, it's gonna be first time when you're gonna start the car, it's gonna be like a delay. So you're gonna start, crank it, remove the key, put the key in, crank it again, and then it's gonna start. Okay, so that's normal. Your radio, your trip odometer will reset. Okay, so the stations you preset will get lost, most likely. Yeah, so that's it. This is how we do it. Hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye bye.